the secret of beauty and treatment with 3 simple ingredients. Making a natural gel cream and serum for skin, hair, and joints. Just imagine. With a few natural ingredients found in every home, you can have clearer skin, thicker hair, and even healthier joints. Today, we are going to make a magical gel cream and a wonderful serum with aloe vera, basil, and lemon, the results of which you will not believe. If you do not watch this video, you may miss the biggest secret of beauty and health. If you are looking for real and natural solutions for beauty and health, subscribe now and ring the bell so that you do not miss any magical videos. In this video, you will learn a wonderful skin routine and treatment with a combination of aloe vera, basil, and lemon that will revitalize your skin, increase hair growth, and relieve joint pain. Don't miss this tutorial and send it to your friends. Welcome to all the dear ones who have become members of the channel all over the world. I hope to present the most practical and special recipes on this channel to you, my dear audience. Please support me on this path by subscribing and introducing this channel to your friends. The bigger our family gets, the more I will be inspired, and with the energy you give me, I will try harder to upload valuable and unique content and reveal the secrets behind the beauty of the world's celebrities. Let's move on to aloe vera gel cream and serum. We need an aloe vera branch to extract the gel inside, but we don't throw away its green skin. We put the gel that we were able to extract with the help of a spoon in a bowl and the green skin of aloe vera. We need it to make the serum. We cut it into small pieces, and we need a bunch of basil. We put the leaves of the basil branch in a wooden bowl and start crushing the leaves with a wooden pestle. Then we pour it into the container where we place the green slices of aloe vera skin, and finally, we need vinegar. We pour vinegar in enough quantity that it covers the ingredients and no part of the green slices of aloe vera and basil are visible on our container and are immersed in vinegar. This magic serum recipe works wonders for hair regrowth. It only needs 21 days of rest in a dark place. This serum has 2 uses, for hair regrowth and it works very quickly to relieve itchy scalp and treat dandruff, and the second use, it works very magically for joint pain and arthritis pain relief, the serum. Apply it to the part of the joint that hurts and wrap it around it with a plastic sheet or cellophane and let it rest overnight until morning. In the morning, when you open the cellophane, it will feel as if you had no pain the night before. It is so relaxing. This is the power of natural healing. Just make sure to wrap a towel around the container, and after 21 days, it is ready to use. For the gel cream recipe, we need a tablespoon of fresh lemon, add aloe vera gel, and then mix with the help of a blender. Get a smooth gel mixture. And finally add 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E. After combining and stirring the ingredients, I tell you, you have made an incredibly attractive aloe vera gel cream. A miracle that celebrities use and do not reveal that the reason for their youth is only this natural and homemade gel cream. It stays in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, and every day and every night you can use this gel cream. It is a very strong moisturizer and provides skin collagen, treats and eliminates wrinkles and acne scars, removes facial blemishes, and balances skin oil. Most importantly, it provides all your skin needs, has vitamin C and a strong skin lightener, and removes dark spots, suitable for any skin of any age. See what you did with the ingredients available and what gel cream you made. After a week when you became young, those around you will ask if you had a lift and rejuvenation procedure. I recommend that you smile at that time and introduce the Skin Routine channel. I taught you a recipe that will save you a lot of money and will be better than your expectations. The second recipe, which is applied after 21 days, has two uses for you: regrowth of lost hair and treatment of weak roots and strengthening of hair bulbs, eliminating itchy scalp, and treating dandruff and balancing scalp fat. And the second use is for your joints, arthritis, and varicose veins. In nature, there are plants that share several properties, just like this recipe, which is for hair and for inflammatory pain in the body, joints, and bones. In general, this serum stimulates blood circulation and increases it, both for the scalp and for the wrists with the rest of the bone parts of the body and joints and varicose veins. It is a regenerative main ingredient of this recipe, which is why the Japanese use these two recipes as long as they are alive. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you forgot to press the subscribe button, be sure to take action before leaving and subscribe to the channel. My friends, I will gladly give you my dear ones in the world skin and hair advice in the messages section. Please comment your questions. May God protect you.